I wish I would have known at 43 about Hall's cough drops if you struggle with anxiety. If you struggle with anxiety, no one ever told me, none of my psychiatrists, psychologists said, hey, go get cough drops that have menthol in it. They didn't say get Hall's cough drops. They didn't tell me about this. I'm diagnosed with general anxiety disorder. And so when anxiety starts to kick in, my biggest struggle is breathing. All of a sudden, I can't breathe. I am stuck in my thoughts. Like I forget to almost like breathe, and now I'm gasping for air. Now because I'm gasping for air, my heart starts racing. I start to sweat. I can feel like ants are on my skin. And I start to come into an anxiety attack. Well, no one told me that if I grabbed Hall's, the menthol in these Hall's, I pop it in my mouth. Guess what it does? It opens up my airways that it almost, I can feel the menthol in like my sinus cavities and stuff. That all of a sudden it takes me out of my brain and out of all this fear into focusing all of a sudden on breathing. All of a sudden, my brain and my thought process focuses on breathing. I can feel the breathing. I can feel the menthol. I can feel the coolness in my throat. I can feel the taste. I can taste it now. The cherry flavor, whatever flavor it is, this taste, this breathing is now overwhelming the anxiety. And guess what? The anxiety attack stops. The anxiety goes away. I forget what I even had fear of, because anxiety is fear of fear. We literally disassociate. We disappear in our thought process and are crippled by fear. And that's where we have struggles when it comes to you feel sick. You feel all of these things because your brain is forgetting some of the natural processes that it should do. And I wish that people would have told me that a lot sooner. I would go to psychiatrists and they'd be like, oh, well, just practice breathing exercises. When I'm in the middle of an anxiety attack or anxiety was coming on, I couldn't think and process to go, what's a breathing exercise I should do? But I could go, you know what, let me grab a Hall's, let me grab one of these cough drops in my pocket, pop it in my mouth. No one knew I was having bad anxiety. And next thing you know, I'm focusing on my breathing. I'm not paying attention to anyone around me. And I would ground myself through it. And that's what it's about, man. Trial and error. Find what works for you. For me, Hall's cough drops or cough drops that are real strong with menthol that I can feel up into my sinuses were key on helping me ground through my anxiety attack. Your senses are stronger than anxiety. So find what works for you because you matter. It's trial and error. And eventually when you do find a tool that works, it's amazing how it's a game changer.